Skyler with Ignite Attachments. This is our box plane. A couple reasons you might want to buy one. It's kind of like a BOGO here. You get a box blade when your tailgate's down here. And you also get a little mini land plane when you put your tailgate up. So a little 2-for-1 action on the box plane. Get scarifiers with it. We have 48, 60, 72-inch options. If you just order it plain Jane, this is what you'll get. Manual liftgate, the shanks. You got a forward and reverse blade on the back. But if you wanted to add some additional planing abilities, we do offer a blade, angle blade that bolts into the middle here, and it'll go across at an angle. And if you want to option it out even more, we offer a hydraulic lift for this rear gate to replace the manual. You will need a rear hydraulic kit on your tractor to make this function. Tanks have 3 different slots in them, so you can just do some mild ground engagement all the way up to several inches deep on these here. Like I said, we do have blades in the back, so you can push backwards or you can drag stuff forwards. You still have cutting capabilities front and back on that. Comes quick hitch compatible with the bushings and the top link here, ready to go hook up to your quick hitch. Another great thing about the kind of 2-in-1 versatility here is you're not breaking the bank buying a box blade and then a land plane. So for the angle kit, the angle blade kit here, it's just 6 bolts. They're a 3/4 inch nut on the end here. So you just slide it in, line it up, and you're ready to go. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then we're going to slap on that hydraulic kit as well. Show you how that functions. Make it real nice and schwanky, the fancy version here. So we'll get it all kitted out. So the angle blade is going to just sit in the middle. There's 3 bolts on either side. And they do have a little bit of adjustability up and down. So if you want to have the blade engage more, you can. If you want a little less, you have a inch or so of play here. You can adjust it up and down. It's just a carriage bolt with a 3/4 inch nut on the back here. One of the features and benefits that applies not only to the box plane, but to all Ignite attachments and implements is the ease of warranty registration and access to your manual. We have QR codes on everything. Simply scan it. It brings you right to the warranty registration page, or it brings you right to the manual. So you don't have to print anything. Everything's accessible on your phone via QR code or at igniteattachments.com. For the hydraulic liftgate on the back here, it just replaces this manual handle with a hydraulic cylinder. So it's just 1 bolt, pull out your pins, and the whole kit comes pre-assembled, all the lines hooked up, everything ready to go where you need it. So you don't have to guess which bolts go where, how the hoses hook up, everything's ready to go. I would install this hydraulic valve manifold on the upper support here first. It's just a 1/2 inch head bolt and nut down here. Second thing I would do is mount this upper support bracket. You can pull these pins out of the cylinder But this just sits inside the frame here, and then we'll insert that other pin. And the hydraulic, the fourth bolt is this little hydraulic hose support bracket. Third thing I do is install the rear bracket here. Comes with spacers to clamp on the either side of this so we have enough room for the hydraulic cylinder to go. So we do 2 spacers on either side. You just leave everything hand tight. And now we can put these 2 pins for the hydraulic cylinder back in. Now we will go through and just torque everything down. Now we'll throw it on the tractor, cycle the hydraulics, and show you how easy it is. This does come with a plate, all pre-assembled, and slot stored hydraulic hoses, so that's pretty cool.